So we know there's no disc between the head and C1. There's no disc between C1 and C2. So there's no disc there. They're articulating joints. They have capsules. They have articulating cartilage. They have synovial fluid. And we said that they're a little different because their orientation is more horizontal. Right? The others, the neck was 45, and the thoracic was 60, and the lumbar was 90. We get the cervical spine is C1, C2, and it's horizontal, especially C1 and C2. Okay? So the properties of the head on C1 are going to be flexion extension, lateral flexion, right, and part of circumduction. Okay? That's where we get the most. It's like a dish, and the head is a bowl in that dish, and the head can move around in that dish, right? Then we come down to C1, C2, and you have a bone that's called the dens. The dens is a post that's in the front of C2 and goes up inside C1, and C1 can rotate around it. So 50% of our range of motion of our head comes from OA and AA, the first 2 segments, okay? 50%. However, if we have bad posture and we're in forward head posture, we lose 100% of that 50%, right? And that then makes us completely dependent upon the only segment that moves anymore in our neck, which is going to be like 4-5 or 5-6 or 6-7, one of those that's going to get beat up.